This is not an Australian lock company by lock. This is a Chinese company buy lock knockoff. I got off of eBay for like 20 bucks. It came with 8 of these keys. You can see the different bitting on the two sides. There's 5 pins on each side, so it's 10 pins. First and foremost, this lock can be rigged. There we go. So yeah, first and foremost, this lock can be rigged. That probably wouldn't happen with an Australian lock company buy lock. It's not a well-made lock. It's not anything you would consider security. It's a neat lock. I got it for the fact that it's neat. It's awesome. I do plan on getting an Australian lock company lock this week, I think. So kind of like a little introduction, maybe get used to the way that the pins are set up. But to get in the single pin way, let me see if I can get this a little better. I'm going to use I'm not going to use a Peterson standard hook. I'm going to use a Covert Instrument standard hook in 20 thousandths and Covert Instruments pry bar in 32. So, one more thing. I'm going to go clockwise, because if you go counterclockwise, there's a whole lot of play, and it's just, yeah, it's got really bad tolerances. This is not a good lock, but it's just something cool to have in the collection. So nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I overset number 5. I might have just fixed it though. 4. Okay, so come back to 3, 4, 3. Two, that might have been 1 on the right side. That's 3, 4, 5. Now let's try number 1. Maybe 1, 2, 3. No, I think I overset something on the right side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, 1, 2, 3. Click on 4. I'm sorry, that was number 5. I think I gotta click out a 4. Two, 3. Alright, so that's a click out of 1. Now moving over to the other side, I got maybe something out of 1. Nothing on 2, 3, 4. Yeah, see, when you get over to this left side, it starts to give you kind of a hard time. just not getting my pick to the right angle. 3. Not getting the pins up high enough. Alright, I just got a little click out of something. I think it was number 2. I got a click out of 1, 2. Nothing on 3. And that's 4 again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. All I had to do was touch number 1 more time and get it up there, and we got it open. But that is the, I can't even pronounce the name of the company because the whole package was in Chinese, but this is the Chinese Lock Company, Bi-Lock.